How to insert micro SD card or SD card in laptop and PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is check if your laptop or PC has an SD card slot. Most laptops have a built-in SD card slot, usually on the side. If your laptop or PC doesn't have a slot, you will need a USB SD card reader. Now, if you have a micro SD card, you will need a micro SD to SD card adapter. What you want to do is insert the micro SD card into an SD card adapter, then insert the adapter into the SD card slot. If you do not have that card slot, you want to use a USB card reader. For that, insert the micro SD card into the USB card reader, then plug the USB reader into your laptop or PC. Once that is done, you want to open this PC. Now you want to locate your SD card, double click to open and view the files, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.